Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday, where Laura and I are going to use this layout, and it is from Alex Skipton. It's Allie. I'm not sure if I said her name right or not, but she did this for Spiegel Mom Scraps, and she has a huge shaker pocket. I know what collection she's using. She's using the old Snow and Cocoa collection, along with the sequins that I have used, bought, used again, and I just no longer have. Like, I love that collection. Love Snow and Cocoa, or Cocoa. Snow and Cocoa. It's one of my favorites. So I, true to myself, I got out my crepe paper collection, and this one is golly, I can't remember what it's called, but it was one of my favorites. It was one of the snow type ones that they did. It was more of a winterish style collection. And so what I'm doing here is that I am taking my glitz and I'm just adding it in all of these different little spots on top. And then I'm going to come in with some ribbon and did a bunch of that. So I decided that I am going to use the circle and do a shaker pocket just like she did. But instead of it being like a big major focal point, I'm doing it a little less of a focal point. But it's still massive on my page. So I'm taking a bunch of these different colors that Fran had for sequence mixes, because I don't quite have, I didn't bring my sequence mixes, which I should have, but I didn't. And, but it's okay. I used what she had at the point. And what I'm doing here is that I wanted to make sure that some of them looked like they were falling down, and I wish I had some snow, because I would have put some snow in here too and made it look like more of a snow globe. But I'm adding just different colors of the sequence mixes that match this collection, and I'm just going through what looks good. And so I decided to glue this down, and I didn't do my trick because ultimately, this is just going to be sitting on my layout. You'll see how I get it going. So make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you. I am super close to my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I would love to be able to have you and then be able to give that goodness out to you in the month of January. I cannot believe we're coming up to the month of December. We are super close. This is going up on Sunday, and let me tell you, all of my December documented stuff is on the way to you guys. You will see a ton of it. There are a ton of people that are doing a ton of different December dailies, December prompts, December whatever. So if you definitely need some motivation on getting your December pictures done, whether you do December documented like I do, because you guys know that I don't do everything every day. I don't have enough time in the day. I'm a teacher. My husband's still gone. We don't know the exact date of when he's coming back yet. So, he should be coming home soon, but, we just never know. We'll see what happens. It's Snowflake. That's what it is. Excuse me. I had to think. There's a ton. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go over and check out Laura's as well. I am definitely got my favorite memories going up. I cannot wait to do that again. I do have a bunch of people joining me this year. Right now, Lisa isn't able to join. I would love to hopefully have her sooner, sometime get back so that we can all have fun together. But in the meantime, it is what it is. So I do have a bunch of people, and I am doing mine, but mine's going to be towards the end of December. Obviously, you guys know that I do it as my school is ending. It makes it easier for me. So I am putting down Snow Bundle something or another is my title. Snow Bundle or Snow Bundle Up. I thought that would be fitting because the picture that I have is one of the Snapchat, I think, filters. Might have been Messenger, one of the two, who knows. I just happened to like the filter and I thought it would work. And then I had a bunch of these snowmen and I was like, ooh, this is even better yet. I'm going to add the snowmen on there because, of course, you know, it's got like snow and bundle up. And then that's my sequence mix. So here I am. I'm just adding all of these little bits and bobs, all these snowmen to this. I love how this page turns out. It's going to be one of my, I think I'm going to put this as like one of my first ones other than obviously doing my cover page. Excuse me. Sorry, didn't mean to yawn there. But I am, the next few layouts, I will tell you, I did 4 at Fran's. Believe it or not, I actually did some work. I mean, I did a heck of a lot of work in this week that I was supposed to just take it easy because we had no school. But I did get back. I am back from Fran's. If you have not followed me on social media, I did post. We did go get Fran's tree, and that was so much fun. And going to get her Christmas tree convinced me to get a real one for my daughter. She really wanted one. So we're going to have a real tree. Sooner or later, we'll go get it. But here I am. I'm just putting down all of these sequence mixes everywhere. I'm just going to dot it up. A lot of this, at the end of this, is going to be a lot of this. You'll see me put a bunch of sequence like down on the edges. I wanted it to look like they kind of fell out of the shaker pocket. And you'll see I just add a bunch down on the bottom. I just like it. I think it works out well. It's something fun for my layout. And I'm just placing them all down. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go check out Laura. Obviously, go check out Allie. I love her layout. She always gets me every time. I just love her stuff. And get ready to be exploded of December goodness on my channel because this is my favorite time of the year. Favorite time of the year. I mean, I love every part of every year, but this is my favorite. I started decorating too, and I decided this year to go all black and white. I'm excited for that. So I'm just getting ready to put a bunch of sequins everywhere else. I just kind of place them in just different spots and do all of that. I think that's pretty much all I do on this. I think I did all this filming and then now I'm doing these voiceovers and I'm trying to make sure that I remember what I did on every one of them. But yeah, make sure that you go check out everything. I know that this is going up on Sunday, so on Monday we have Cyber Monday. Make sure that if you are interested at all, Cyber Monday for Close to My Heart is going to be out as well at 3 p.m. Mountain Central Time on the 30th. Make sure you do that. Oh yeah, I did the snow too. The still shots are coming up. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye.